Hi! In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, you need to open devices settings and scroll down just a bit to access gestures. After that, tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher next to it in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, this switcher won't be available, just like in my case. So you need to scroll all the way down instead and click on this one next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then, after hitting Got It in the pop-up, make sure that Pull Screen into Reach option is on. Then, click on this little shortcut to use one-handed mode. You can go back by clicking on the same one, swiping up, or tapping on this area at the top. You can even move your shortcut by holding it and dragging it. In order to disable it though, tap on the same No Blow switcher in one-handed mode settings. If you are using gestures though, you can tap on this switcher instead and tap on Pull Screen into Reach as well. Then follow all of those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen so it's easier to reach. So when I pull, I can see that one-handed mode is on. You can go back by swiping up or clicking on the same area. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!